JE008 Retro Style Bowknot Bow Ring, cute lovely adjustable. JE008 Retro Style Bowknot Bow Ring, cute lovely adjustable Bowknot Bow Ring. Born Pretty 1PC Lovely Cat Ring Paw Pattern Open. I bought this ring for my ex-GF and I for being together for a while. The great part was that I would always remember her with the ring. One day we happened to break up and the ring reminded me of her. But the ring will always stay with me. It a great memory keeper. The ring is adjustable for people who have different size fingers. The shine will dull if worn too much or washed. It's smaller than you think it is, but since it's small, it looks cuter. Overall, it's adorable and worth it if you ignore the shine disappearing. 10/10 for gifts.